good.
Yeah, can I have some?
Yeah, wait.
What else you got there that's good? Hmm?
Wait, Dad.
That's as far as I'll go.
Let's put Daffy in the wrong place.
You know what? Grandpa might like. Grandpa might like that. Is that to Grandpa? The Snickers bar.
I love Snickers bars.
Oh.
Oh, it's there.
With paper. It was paper, Daddy.
That's a pretty good trick.
You can't see it. You can't see the candy.
What you got?
You can see your candy.
Is my candy in there?
Yep.
Well, you're gonna give it to me? No?
I think we're going to bed early tonight.
It disappeared.
Did you? Did you give it to him?
It disappeared on your leg.
Oh, man.
Thank you.
That's why you were rubbing your nose. Big booger on there.
Don't pick. Oh, don't rub it on the top of your nose, Goofy.
Mom, look in there.
No.
Look in there.
Go look in the TV.